I'll be showing you guys how to register an Evmos domain name, okay? Because they'll be doing an airdrop pretty soon, so I'll urge you guys to take action and register your domain name so you'll be eligible for the potential airdrop. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is make sure you have Evmos network on your MetaMask. Okay, so when you have it, you head over to app.evmos.domains and you fund your wallet with as low as $6. Okay, here it's showing $5, but just put in $6, all right, for gas fee. You never can tell. So once you're done with that, you purchase Evmos from either Evmos Swap or from Mex Global. Okay, so once you've purchased, you transfer to your MetaMask and you search for a name. You click on search here, search for any name of your choice, and you register, so you'll be eligible for the airdrop. So once you have searched for your name, you head over to request to register. Then you click on confirm. So you can see right here, you click on confirm. Alright, so as you can see, your transaction submitted, waiting for confirmation. So I've successfully purchased mine. Alright, so I'll be eligible for the airdrop. So you guys take action, do the same. It's quite simple. With as little as $6, you can get the airdrop and you'll be eligible for the airdrop. So just do it, just $6. Alright guys, so let's wait for this to be completed. Then you see my name. As you can see, mine is alexanderelite.evmos. It's quite easy, guys. So let's just wait for this transaction to load. Alright, I think it's taking quite some time, so well guys, I think transaction is pending, so that's just it. Pretty simple, guys, pretty simple. So just take action so you'll be eligible for the airdrop. You can check them out on Twitter, okay, Evmos Domains on Twitter, and you'll get more information, and also join their Discord. All right, so it's quite simple. Do it, take action. We're in airdrop season, guys.